This is the amazing no talking race, and my name is Cohen. These are my competitors.
Yeah, we're being held hostage. Help! Help!
Well, here's the rules of the game.
Yes?
So there'll be clues. If you read those clues correctly and find a piece of paper with the question on it, then
The question is from
the
what?
question is from
I'm being denied food.
the question is from the book.
Okay.
If you answer that correctly, you move on to the next level.
Excellent.
But if you don't answer it correctly, there is these detour questions.
Okay.
If you answer one of those correctly,
If you
if you
don't,
don't answer one correctly, you're doing a form of exercise which is called a plank. But if you do
I'm not
answer
doing no
correctly,
planks.
then
I'm walking no plank.
you're walking no plank. Then you move on to the next level as well.
okay.
Well, let's play it again.
Are the competitors ready?
Nope.
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Mom,
Let's.
can we whisper our answer into your ear so our
I
competitors
don't think so.
don't hear?
Because we've never read the book, so it's not really fair. But
Timon's
okay.
listened to it, but okay. The first clue. You ready, competitors?
Yeah.
I love crackers.
I love crackers.
Okay. Play fair and square. It's not that hard. I guess there's no crackers. Maybe it's better. I love cereal. I love cereal. Aha.
Got it.
Woo. Okay, boys. Question number 1. Thank you.
Guys.
Dad's picked up question number 1.
I'm busy laying on them.
Okay, let's read the first question. Why did Dave stop talking? Because Dave read a book about multiple choice answer.
Muhammad Gandhi.
Donald Trump, Mahatma Gandhi, or Albert Einstein. I don't know. How do you go?
Muhammad Gandhi.
Gandhi.
It's not Muhammad Gandhi, it's Mahatma.
Okay. Clue number 2. I love to make tea for my mom.
Nope. Hey, tea.
Tea.
Where's the tea? Hey, where's the tea, Wendy? Where's the tea?
Cohen, where's the tea?
Oh, that's applesauce.
Ah, that's okay. Cohen got the last one. Good job, Cohen.
We got the last one. It's good.
That's good. Good. Question number 2. Good job. I hope everybody's being sportsmanlike,
Hey,
Timon.
we're having fun.
Sportsmanlike. Okay. This is a fill in the blanks question. Timon, you can do that later. No eating on the job, please.
We're playing. Hey,
Fill in the blanks. Dave said to Lindsay, if you had to blank for 5 minutes,
Your head will explode.
and
I
then
bet the top of your head would
Be
explode.
quiet and your head will explode.
No, it's shut up.
Yay!
Okay? So clue number 3 is this. Are you ready, contestants? It's come, sit with me. No unfairness.
Come sit with me.
Come sit with me. That's your clue.
Where do we sit?
I think you were pretty clever in hiding that one. Cohen, you can't grab Timon, please. Give him a fair chance. You guys are going to have to carefully... Okay. No, Cohen, Timon got that one. His partner got it for him. Very good. Very good.
See,
Okay.
look, Cohen's a good sport.
Hey, you're a so baby loser.
That was not
Cohen's a
sportsmanlike.
good sport. That's what
Cohen?
we want to be. Hey, we want to be good sports. Okay.
Question number 3. What were the terms of the contest that Dave and Lindsay put into place?
No talking on the school bus.
You can't more than 3 words at a time.
3 words.
No more than 3 words at a time.
No talking on
Wait.
Okay, no talking. Cohen can answer in detail. Stop, please. Let Cohen answer.
the school bus
Mm-hmm.
and the playground
Mm-hmm.
And the school, we're all in
and
play.
the school
And where else?
and at home.
And how long was the contest going to take
For 2
place?
days.
2 24-hour periods, right. Starting when?
Tuesday.
Yesterday.
Tuesday lunch.
Tuesday lunch. Very good.
Thursday lunch.
Okay, you guys did pretty good not having read the book. Very good.
Today's Wednesday. They knew.
Okay. So clue number 4 is I love ice cream and I love Woody.
Woody and ice cream.
And I have a messy face. Hey, no pushing.
gotta get
No
out of it.
pushing. I love ice cream.
Ice cream Woody.
And I love Woody. No, wrong clue. Wrong clue. Does that
Woody.
look like ice
Woody.
cream? Okay. Oh my, you guys are out of control. Okay, shh. Not too loud. Okay. Oh, Timon, I am videotaping this for the
Come on,
school.
you guys. Hey, come out of the closet there. Come on.
Oh.
It's a brotherly hug.
Question number 4. OMG. Since they were together since grade 1, Timon, concentrate. This group of 5th graders was given a nickname by the teachers at Laketon Elementary School. This is a true or false question. This nickname was the Unquietables.
No.
True or false?
False.
False. What was the correct answer, Cohen? Unshushable. Okay.
No, we got it.
No, Cohen. So this is clue number 5. Are you ready? Fruit, anyone?